And then we'll find the first street on the right. I think I see the street there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
You make a right turn there. Oh, perfect. Let's use that car for parallel parking. Unless the owner is in his driveway there. That's it. Yeah, let's do it. It's in the driveway next to it, so I think that's okay. I think. Sometimes we get chased away.
That's fine.
Don't use my car. It's very good.
Yeah.
You can keep it on.
Yeah. I feel like I'm slow at this, but
That's fine. A little too much here. Don't go
Yeah.
too far, because if you do, then you're going to get too wide of an angle.
okay, yeah. So do you want to go straight?
Maybe a little bit.
Which way did I
And just keep your wheels like that. We'll just move forward a little
Okay.
bit. Just keep them straight there. Just, yeah. Right about here would be better, because that's
Oh yeah,
more
I
of a,
forgot
like,
that
a
it was supposed to be
45.
in this. I was thinking there right there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what I was thinking, but right?
You're thinking one
Oh
step
no,
ahead.
it's supposed to be like this, yeah.
Is it straight?
Good question. No.
There you go. Now they're straight. You're thinking to put
Yeah,
the
I
mirror,
was- yeah, I was
or the
wrong.
mirror, the
Yeah.
thing right there. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good. I think that's good.
What you really want to do is get your front bumper to his back bumper. That just prevents you from rolling backwards too
So
far.
like that?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, so just the front bumper.
Hmm.
Nice ones.
Yeah,
this
but
way?
keep the car in motion though,
Oh, right, yeah.
all the way to the left.
I don't know why that one was bad.
There. Okay. Just gonna wait for these dudes here to pass you. And the cop is turning around or whatever. Okay, let's take off.